Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you everything that I made from the bargain bead box for October called A Night in the Woods. I loved this box. I loved all the cute little owls and carnelian and antique brass and just everything in this. I just loved it. So I made 2 different pairs of earrings, 2 different bracelets, and a necklace. So I will start with my cute little owl necklace. Make sure my lighting is okay. I've got a new background. I'm using white. I want to see if that works better. So yeah, I attached it so it's movable here in the front. So let me get it. So yeah, I use that little carnelian owl pendant. Is so cute. And then I have carnelian and I have the little sparklies, and I just put them on head pins. And then I did the owls. It's really, and I used some of my own fire polish beads from the dollar bead box. And then I did a little charm here at the top. I thought that was really cute. I did this. Then I did, everything was carnelian. Then I did these cute little earrings, and I just used the carnelian and then my fire polish beads again on here. Let me get these. So yeah, I was really happy the way everything turned out. So I have this. These are so cute. They don't lay right when you put them down because they're kind of dangly, so. Okay. Then I made these little owl earrings, and I used, I think those are the bigger dark fire polish beads from the dollar bead box this month, and the carnelian, and then I had these little check glass flower spacers from the dollar bead box, and the owls. Then I made this little, kind of like a charm bracelet, and I did it, so this is almost kind of like, it could be a charm on the end, so it's, you can, it's adjustable. So you could adjust it, like, depending on the size of your wrist. You could adjust it all the way up here. I think this goes to 8 inches. Or you could go down here and then have that dangle a little more, and you could even have it go down a little more, you know, if you're really tiny and really have a nice dangle there. But I like making, when I make bracelets like this, I like making them when I, you know, they're not memory wire or anything. If I'm using head pins, I like making them like this with the jump rings, so that, you know, it could be a gift for anybody, because I usually sell this on my Etsy store, so it could be a gift for anybody. So, you know, it's depending on the size of your wrist, it doesn't really matter. Then this is my really chunky bracelet that I made. I fell in love with this. I had this one check table cut bead, and I just fell in love with it, so I added a little bit of my own stuff to it too. You'll notice these are from Sam's Bead Box from a couple months ago. So, and then I added my little triangle. I love these, and some of my own antique brass, and then I did some 11/0 seed beads. So, put this on and show you. I love the way this turned out. I think it turned out so cute. So it could go with a lot of stuff. This is a multi-metal one. I have some silver. I have a little bit of the antique brass. I don't think I have any copper in this. But, oh yeah, I do. I have a little bit of the copper. Those are from a couple months ago, I think. The bargain bead box. So yeah, so I made the little handmade charms. This just is such a fall piece of jewelry. It's kind of rustic, and absolutely love the way this turned out. I had such a blast with this box. So I really loved it. So if you're looking for, you know, a bead box that's not too expensive, that has a little bit of everything in it, I think this is a great box. It just, you know, gives you a little bit of everything. So, yes, let me get this off here. So yeah, so this is everything that I made. I still have some other stuff left over that I haven't used yet. So I'll be, you know, throwing that in, I'm sure, with other stuff. But these are my main pieces I made out of it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, please follow my channel. Give this a like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos. I have a lot more coming up. And I will leave all my links below. I'll leave a link to the bargain bead box if you're interested in that box. You can find it below. And I also have links to my Etsy, Instagram, Pinterest, and my Facebook page. So you could follow me on there if you're interested. And let me know down in the comments what you thought of everything and what your favorite piece was. And I will talk to you later. You have a great day. Thanks for watching.